Hi, this is Xavier Pardo, the sales engineer of IM Solutions Spain. In our division, we are focused on the surface treatment of 3D printed parts. We are so proud to work with the Something Added company, placed in a very incredible place at the factory Barcelona. Something Added values the benefits of using high-quality machines manufactured by IM Solutions. They are aware that our machines are capable of performing the most efficient and stable post-processing treatments. For this reason, they decided to invest in our S1 blasting cabinet some months ago. Consequently, there was a substantial reduction in the cost of their 3D printed parts. So now, they have decided to invest in our S2 fully automated blasting machine. We are confident that the new S2 will contribute in the expansion of his business.
So my name is Maxime. I'm in charge of the factory here in Barcelona, and my goal is to build a new model of factory here to be able to scale in the additive manufacturing and especially dedicate to midsoles and shoes performance. The other topic that we work with AM Solution is an automation. So the goal is that we started to work with the S1 to be able to develop the different programs, to be able to learn on additive manufacturing since the beginning when we opened the factory. Then we quickly changed to switch and upgrade the sandblasting area here in the factory with the S2 to be able also to work with AM Solution on the automation, because here, thanks to the HP printers, we also have the automatic unpacking station built by AM Solution. So we are working with AM Solution to connect the automatic unpacking station directly to the S2. And in that case, we can also reduce the labor cost, and in the global TCO of our parts, reduce the impact of the human cost wherever we open the factory in higher area where the human cost is higher than here, and also in lower area when the price of the human is cheaper. We are able to stabilize the price of our midsole wherever we open the factory.
More than happy.
So nice.